So if any of you grow white sapote and you're experiencing a lot of yellowing of the leaves, don't freak out, especially if you're in the northern hemisphere this time of year. It's just dropping its leaves off from last year and trying to produce the new growth for this year. Don't freak out, don't overwater because of that reason, and don't underwater. Just do what you're doing and it should be fine. Many people would say to overwater it or give it more water to help it flush new growth, but you could run the chances of creating root rot. It's not worth it. Just let it be, you know. You overwater, you might get some fruit drop as well. You don't want that. So this is the vernon sapote, and this is the suebelle sapote right here. See the leaves just falling right off? So don't freak out. It's just producing new leaves, that's all. Great trees, amazing flavor, very expensive fruit as well. See you later.